You gonna let Jesus hold this down?
I think so.
Well,
I
don't.
got the seatbelts. I could tie the sides of the thing here.
Yeah, you could.
Cut another
Don't take a
section off.
corner too hard. Or you're gonna destroy that fan clutch you wanted.
I might just take that off, or just say fuck it.
Are you just gonna leave it where it is, or you want to slide it back some more?
Well, I'll probably put the tailgate up and then put this tie around one of the leg loops with the seatbelt, and it's not going to be good. Oh yeah, I had to hammer this in. I'm the Leatherman again. I could go get the right tool in the truck.
That is the right tool.
Way over there.
You're holding it.
Well, yeah. You can't do it with a Leatherman. You can't do it.
Pretty much.
Well, maybe I can't do it with a Leatherman.